Good morning, everybody. I have a question for you. Do you know why rabbits put out little baby pellet turds and cows put out great big huge patties? You don't? Well, that's probably because you don't know crap. Hopefully today I can teach you a little bit about crap. More specifically, I'm going to talk about handling and distribution with specialized equipment. This 5,800-gallon manure spreader has 6-wheel steering, which is controlled by a piece on the drawbar. The spreader has hydraulics that can lift the axles for maneuvering around turns or reducing friction when climbing hills. The corn was just removed from this field, which you can see in another video. Now, the nutrients need replaced from the corn so that soon they can plant barley or wheat for the winter. Sophisticated electronics helps the operator bring the manure spreader up to speed to make sure that they have a consistent spread on the field. Approximately 5,800 gallons will be spread evenly on each acre. That 5,800 gallon is loaded in under 2 minutes with this high-capacity pump. The high-capacity pump is almost effortlessly dropped into the 100,000-gallon tank and then removed, later taken to the next job. Cody and Trey moved their 100,000-pound behemoths around with the efficiency of a ballet, emptying this manure silo in only about 4 hours. Well, I hope you learned some crap today. And I hope you remember Cody and Trey the next time you sit down to a steak or a glass of milk. The hard work that these dedicated young professionals put in each day.